Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back with another Walkthrough Wednesday. Today I'm really excited because I am back here today with Trisha with Riverside Homes, and we are here in the Crosswinds neighborhood in the last opportunities that they have available. So Trisha's going to be showing us a beautiful quick move-in home that they have available. So Trisha, please tell us where we're at.
Yes, so we are standing at 71 Aspendale Road, and this is in the Crosswinds community. This is our Liberty plan. It is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home with a pocket office, wide open floor plan. So let's go take a look.
Okay. Love the exterior. Love that big, beautiful blue door.
And so right when you walk in, you can have this beautiful view right through the house to the back.
Love that.
And it just has a lot of natural light in this home.
This happens to be one of my favorite floor plans. Sorry, Trisha, I did not mean to interrupt you.
So this is going to be our Liberty again, and this is a wide open floor plan. A lot of people love this house because it does have a ton of natural light, and it has this open concept floor plan, but there's still some designated space, so you really get that feeling of individual placement of everything that you need in this space, but it's wide open, gives you a really open, flowy feel, but it can be really cozy too, which people love.
I feel like every space in here is really large, which is great because sometimes I feel like when you have the kitchen, living, dining all in one, it can feel a little cramped, but this has everything designated. The kitchen is huge, the island is big, the dining space is really large, that pantry.
Yes, and the dining space is great because there are so many families that we have that are coming in with large dining room tables. Seems to be a trend of going back to having the family dinners. And this allows you to have the large table or expand to a larger table, but also has room for like a hutch or china cabinet, something like that that could go right in that same space against the wall.
Absolutely. And as Carling is panning, I just want to show off some of these features. You've got this beautiful tile work. I mean, who doesn't love a built-in garbage can? Come on. Deep sink.
And this has that champagne bronze finish.
Was
Quartz
noticing that.
countertops, this gorgeous mosaic backsplash.
Stunning.
Has the 42-inch upper cabinet. It is white, has the gas cooktop and the hood, which people are really loving, this chimney style feature. And this is actually one of my favorite sinks as well. I know that sounds really funny, but this like granite composite is beautiful. It goes seamless with the quartz countertops. It's just beautiful, and it goes with the neutral tone of this home with the floors, and the backsplash just kind of pulls everything together.
Agreed. Yeah, and the floors really warm everything up.
And then down here, we also have this really cool feature. It is a pocket office. So it could be a designated homework space. It could be designated little play area if you have younger ones. Could be an office where you would have a desk on one side and a bookshelf, or even a double office where you could put desks on both sides, and it does have this natural light, and it has a pocket door. So if you do need a little bit of privacy or a little bit more quiet, we can shut the door. And it's going to really give you that designated space, especially for my work from home moms and dads.
Yeah, I had never personally myself seen that or filmed one of those floor plans, and I love this pocket office. It's amazing.
And of course, it's overlooking the backyard too, which is amazing. Plenty of room to create a backyard oasis. This can fit a pool very easily.
Absolutely.
It's got a large covered lanai. Partially fenced in already, which is amazing. And so this is really going to give you a little bit of privacy and still be able to create a perfect backyard setting for your barbecues, your family get-togethers, birthday parties, whatever you can really envision, or just winding down at the end of the day.
Yeah, it's a great size backyard and patio. I think Carling's about to pan so you can get the whole image of the entire space, this beautiful entertainer's space as we head back to the front of the house.
Sure is an entertainer's dream, that's for sure.
And as a reminder, we are in the Crosswinds neighborhood, so you have quick access to both schools and the greenway trails, which will take you right to all of the amazing amenities that residents have access to.
And this home is going to be zoned for Pine Island Academy, which is K through 8. It is walking distance.
That's super nice.
Literally outside this neighborhood, and then Nice High School, of course, for all of our Nocatee communities here. That's the high school. Here we have a pocket office and also garage, which in this particular one, there's a little surprise. There is a golf cart section in the garage. So 2-car plus. So it can be used for a golf cart, but I know a lot of people also use it for a gym or extra storage. You can
That's
fit
nice.
bicycles, can fit your trash cans if you wanted, could do kayaks, since we have the kayak launch here.
That. Yeah, I love that there's a restroom downstairs. That way all of your family and friends don't have to come up here where all the bedrooms are.
And then for us, large laundry room, and this is going to follow the owner suite. So we do have all the bedrooms upstairs on this plan. So it does keep the family together at the end of the day. We're going to have 2 bedrooms with a shared hall bath.
Perfect.
And then this shared hall bath is also going to offer 2 sinks.
Awesome.
So if you do have multiple children, if one of them needs to be in the shower, one could be brushing teeth, or if you just have 2 girls and they each need their own space, also fine.
And both of these bedrooms are walk-in closets.
Yes. And tons of storage in this plan as well.
Yeah, so far we've passed, I think, 2, maybe 3 closets. We don't have to show each of them, but they're kind of all spread out throughout this house. There's no lacking here in storage when it comes to closets.
There is not. And then off this loft area, we do have a 3rd bedroom. This one is going to have an ensuite bathroom. Perfect. So it also has a pretty good sized closet. And then it has an extra little nook for some shelves, or maybe a tall dresser could fit there. And then goes right into the ensuite. It makes a really great guest room.
Perfect.
Or if you do have an older child that wants their own bathroom, that's a really great opportunity for that here. Again, still keeping the family all together.
Absolutely. And Carling's making her way back into this great size loft space, which is obviously very versatile for many things.
Yes. Could be used as an office, depending on your family situation, but a lot of people choose this as a second sitting room or possibly a play area for the kids, or hang out if you got teens, so that they're not necessarily in their bedrooms. But lots of wall space for furniture, television, anything you could really think of for this space. You could even double if we need to do a little desk in the corner for homework, but also still have room for shelving, room for television, room for a couch.
Perfect.
And then my favorite space is the owner's suite in this house. It is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
So large. So much room in here. You just feel like you really do have this luxury space. Really a retreat at the end of the day for you to come and unwind.
Love all of the windows here in this room. It really brings in a lot of natural light. I mean, this house is very light and airy, which is great. This space really showcases that. And then, of course, this bathroom, which is another reason I absolutely love this floor plan. I just love this.
Separate vanities. Yes. If anyone is like my family, my husband loves having separate vanities.
Yep.
So having the separate spaces is a plus.
Very important.
The finishes in this bathroom are so magnificent.
Yeah.
Just the veining in the tile has that marble look, has the quartz countertops. Again, we're looking at the champagne bronze and the closet space in this home.
I know, I was really surprised when I walked in there. It was like not ending, and I was like, holy smokes.
It is massive, and there's so much room. I mean, there's no complaints here from either person that would be using this space.
Absolutely. Yeah, one thing I will say about this bathroom is that it's perfectly placed. Like where you guys have the his and hers, where the shower is placed in the middle, so you're walking out with nothing there. So it's great.
And it also has natural light, which is really
with the window
important.
there. Oh yeah, great for getting ready in the morning or anything else you might need. So, well, awesome. Well, obviously, as you guys can tell, this home is beautiful. Trisha is going to remind us where we're at and how you can get in contact with her if you're interested.
So again, we are at 71 Aspendale Road, and this is in Crosswinds. This is the Liberty Plan. So reach out to me or my partner, Michelle. You can see us here in the model home at 81 Oak Breeze Drive, or you can call me directly or text me at 302-388-3607.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Trisha. As a reminder, we're here in Crosswinds, last opportunity here for this neighborhood. So if you want to come and live in this beautiful Crosswinds neighborhood in the Nocatee community, you definitely want to come out sometime very soon. So, but we hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you soon.
Bye.